So today we are unboxing Lenovo 4060 LOQ लैपटॉप। ये हमने मंगाया है अमेज़ॉन से। अमेज़ॉन सेल चल रही है जैसे कि आपको पता है। स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर। Oh my God. आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी बड़ा कार्टून में पैक किया है इसको, just because of a safer side. So now we are going to unbox the laptop. Oh. क्या क्या है इसमें हमारे पास? यूज़र गाइड, ओके। आई थिंक वेयर इज द बिल? बिल भी आना चाहिए ना? आना चाहिए, नहीं आना चाहिए? वाओ, दैट्स नाइस। Let me check. Weight बहुत ज़्यादा है। Okay. Every switches at the back side. यहाँ पे चार्जिंग का केबल है। Okay. So let's start. My God. Okay, there is a note from Lenovo. They are congratulating us on my recent Lenovo purchase. So let's going to start it. Oh, I have to hold it. It's charged or not? I think I have to plug in the charger. This might be go under this. This had to be. This is for charging, right? Oh, it is not for charging. Yes, okay, the laptop got charged. I think this one. अभी स्टार्ट होना चाहिए। So it started now. Let me check if they had given the bill. This is the bill. see, this is how the Lenovo laptop got start. It's taking time because it is started first time. So checking it, like whether it is working good or not. So it is taking time to start. It's loading and saying just a moment. You can see here on screen. So I have purchased this online on Big Billion Days. So we can see on Flipkart or Amazon the sale is going on. So we had purchased in at 91,100 rupees in sale. It is a gaming laptop. It is having 24 GB RAM. So they are asking that is this the right country or region?
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by
It's
pressing.
India. So we can use English keyboard. No, I don't want to add any layout. So they are asking to connect with the Wi-Fi. See how it's got connected. So let us check if there is any scratch or like any physical damage on the laptop. I can see it is totally fine from everywhere. It's taking time to load. I'm making this video just because my brother is saying me. My brother is asking me to make video while unboxing. So this is the only reason I have made this video. So it is now saying welcome. Please review the license agreement. Okay. They are asking to review the software license agreement. Just clicked on accept. So name your device. What name I can give? So I must say Chammak Challu. can skip this also. So I had made the video, and thank you so much.